All right, we are going to show you the urinary system in the male cat. So we're going to lift up on part of the digestive tract and pull the organs up and out of the way for now. And on the cat's right side, we've left the kidney relatively in place. They are retroperitoneal, and so they lie behind or posterior to the parietal peritoneum. So you can see part of that remains right here. And our kidney was behind that. The kidneys are surrounded by a renal capsule, so we opened that up on the anterior side, and you can see the cut edge right here and over here, and the kidney is still inside of that capsule. On the other side, we removed the peritoneum and the capsule, so you can see the kidney all by itself, and here is the renal vein that is exiting the kidney. And down here, tiny little renal artery right there. These are injected with latex. The arteries are pink, veins are blue. Where they enter and exit the kidney is a region called the renal hilum. So it's just this region right here on the medial surface of the kidney. And we cut this one open so you can see inside. The outer layer is called the cortex, the renal cortex right here. Looks kind of pale. And then this darker blue area towards the center is the renal medulla, and they each contain different parts of the nephron, which you guys are going to learn. And then in the center of the kidney, this pale area contains all of the major ducts that collect the urine as it's formed. They're going to drain into the ureter, which exits the kidney at the hilum and descends down towards the bladder. This structure right here is the bladder. And you can see the ureter on this side comes down. It loops under this little white thread-like structure, which is part of the reproductive system. We'll learn that later. And here is the ureter coming into the base of the bladder on this side. And over on this side, here is the other ureter coming down from the other kidney and loops under and then drains into the bladder at this side. So they drain into the base of the bladder right here. This is the urethra, and it will go down through the pelvis. We've cut through the front of the pelvis right here and removed it, and the urethra continues until it enters the sheath of the penis, which is this white tube-like structure right here, and eventually the urine will drain out through the external orifice, which is this tiny little opening right here. I'm pushing the tip of my probe in it.